Hello, hello, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, hello. It's so great to see you all again. How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful. You know what? Today we have such an amazing topic for you.
Yes, today we're going to talk about the weather. The weather, it's one of the easiest and most useful topics in English.
Exactly. Everyone talks about the weather. When you meet someone, when you make small talk, when you travel, weather is everywhere.
And the best part, it's super simple to learn. You don't need difficult grammar or complicated words.
That's right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about the weather like a native English speaker. Doesn't that sound amazing?
It really does. So before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps us so much.
Yes, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our videos.
All right, are you ready to learn?
Let's go.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. How do we ask about the weather in English?
Great question. The most common way is very simple. You say, "How's the weather?"
How's the weather? Perfect. Let me say it again. How's the weather?
Exactly. Or you can also say, "What's the weather like?" These two are the most popular ways.
So we have how's the weather and what's the weather like. Both are correct, right?
Yes, both are correct. You can use either one. Let's practice together. Everyone at home, repeat after me. How's the weather?
Good. Now try this one. What's the weather like?
Wonderful. You're doing great already. Now, let's learn how to answer these questions.
Yes, because asking is important, but answering is important too. So what do we say?
Well, it depends on the weather, right? Let's start with sunny weather. When the sun is shining, we say, "It's sunny."
It's sunny. Simple. It's sunny. That's the weather today, actually. Look outside. It's sunny.
Yes, it's a beautiful sunny day. Now, repeat after me, everyone. It's sunny.
Great. Now, what about when it's raining? You know, when water falls from the sky.
Oh, yes, rainy weather. We say, "It's rainy" or "It's raining."
It's rainy. It's raining. Both are correct. So you can say it's rainy today or it's raining today.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say with me, "It's rainy."
And now say it's raining.
Perfect. You know what? Let me give you a little tip. When we say "it's raining," we can also add more details.
Oh, like what?
Like, it's raining heavily when there's a lot of rain, or it's raining a little when there's just a small amount.
Ah, so if it's a big storm with lots of rain, I can say it's raining heavily?
Yes, exactly right. Let's try it. Everyone repeat, "It's raining heavily."
Excellent. Okay, what about cold weather? When it's winter and everything is freezing.
Good question. We say, "It's cold." Simple, right?
It's cold. Very easy. And what about hot weather, like in summer?
We say, "It's hot." Look at this pattern. It's cold, it's hot. It's sunny, it's rainy. Do you see? We always start with "it's."
Oh, wow, that's so helpful. So the pattern is it's plus the weather word. It's cold, it's hot, it's sunny.
Exactly. You got it. This makes everything so much easier, doesn't it?
It really does. Okay, everyone at home, let's practice this pattern together. Repeat after me. It's cold.
Now say, "It's hot."
Good. Now let's learn more weather words. What about when there's a lot of wind?
Oh, yes, windy weather. We say, "It's windy." Can you guess the pattern?
Yes, it's the same pattern. It's windy. I love this pattern. It's so easy to remember.
Right. And when there are clouds in the sky, we say, "It's cloudy."
It's cloudy. Okay, so let me practice all of these. It's sunny, it's rainy, it's cold, it's hot, it's windy, it's cloudy.
Perfect. You remembered all of them. Great job. Everyone at home, did you practice with us? Say all of these out loud.
Yes, don't be shy. Speaking out loud helps you learn faster. Now, what about snow? When it snows?
Great question. We say, "It's snowy" or "It's snowing," just like rain.
It's snowy, it's snowing. I love snow. Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I have. It's so beautiful. Cold, but beautiful. Okay, let's practice. It's snowy.
And say, it's snowing.
Wonderful. Now, here's something interesting. Sometimes the weather is not too hot and not too cold. It's comfortable. What do we say?
What do we say?
We say it's nice or the weather is nice. We can also say it's pleasant or it's mild.
Oh, so it's nice means the weather is comfortable and good, right?
Exactly. For example, in spring or autumn, the weather is usually nice, not too hot, not too cold, perfect.
I love nice weather. It's the best. Let's practice. The weather is nice today.
Good. Now, let's talk about bad weather. Sometimes the weather is terrible, right?
Oh, yes, like when there's a big storm or heavy rain. What do we say?
We can say the weather is bad, the weather is terrible, or the weather is awful.
The weather is bad. The weather is terrible. Got it. These are useful when you want to complain about the weather.
Yes, people love to complain about bad weather. Let's practice. The weather is terrible today.
Good. Now, let me ask you something. How do we talk about temperature? You know, how hot or cold it is.
Excellent question. We use numbers and degrees. For example, it's 25 degrees or it's 30 degrees Celsius.
Oh, so I can say it's 25 degrees today.
Yes, perfect. In the US, they use Fahrenheit, so they might say it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
I see. So the structure is it's plus the number plus degrees. It's 25 degrees. It's 30 degrees.
Exactly, right. Let's practice. It's 20 degrees today.
Great. Now let's do something fun. Let's practice with real life situations.
Oh, I love this. Okay, let's imagine we're having a conversation. I'll ask you about the weather.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Hey, how's the weather today?
It's sunny. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, that's nice. Is it hot or cold?
It's pretty hot. I think it's about 32 degrees.
Wow, that's very hot. You should stay hydrated.
Yes, definitely. See, everyone, that's a real conversation about weather. Very natural.
Exactly. Let's try another one. Imagine you're traveling to London and you want to know about the weather.
Okay, I'll ask, what's the weather like in London?
Good question. The weather in London is usually cloudy and rainy. It's not very sunny.
Oh, so I should bring an umbrella.
Yes, definitely bring an umbrella. It rains a lot in London.
Thank you. See how useful this is? You can plan your trip by asking about the weather.
Absolutely. Now, let's learn some more useful phrases. When you want to ask about tomorrow's weather, you say, "What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?"
What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? That's a longer sentence, but it's not too difficult.
Right. Let's break it down. What's the weather? You already know this part.
Yes. Then we add going to be like tomorrow. This talks about the future.
Exactly. Let's practice together. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Perfect. And how do we answer this question?
We use it's going to be plus the weather word. For example, it's going to be sunny tomorrow.
It's going to be sunny tomorrow. Got it. So the pattern is it's going to be plus sunny, rainy, cold, hot, etc.
Yes, let's practice more. It's going to be rainy tomorrow.
It's going to be cold tomorrow.
It's going to be windy tomorrow.
Excellent. Now you can talk about the weather today and tomorrow. You're learning so fast.
You really are. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn one more important thing.
What is it?
Well, how to describe extreme weather. Sometimes the weather is very, very hot or very, very cold.
Oh, yes, like in the desert or the North Pole.
Exactly. When it's extremely hot, we say it's boiling or it's scorching.
It's boiling. It's scorching. These words mean super, super hot, right?
Yes. For example, it's boiling today. I can't go outside.
Haha. And what about extremely cold weather?
We say it's freezing. This means it's super, super cold.
It's freezing, like ice, so cold you can't feel your hands.
Exactly. Let's practice. It's freezing outside.
It's boiling today.
Perfect. Now let's do a fun role play. I'll test you on everything we learned today.
Okay, I'm ready. Test me.
All right, question number 1. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and hot.
Good. Question number 2. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
It's going to be cloudy and rainy.
Excellent. Question number 3. Is it hot or cold?
It's hot. It's about 30 degrees.
Perfect. Question number 4. What's the weather like in winter?
It's cold and snowy. Sometimes it's freezing.
Amazing. You got every question right. Give yourself a big applause.
Thank you. Now let me test you.
Okay, go ahead.
Question 1. What do you say when it's raining a lot?
It's raining heavily.
Correct. Question 2. How do you describe comfortable weather?
The weather is nice, or I can say it's pleasant or mild.
Perfect.